Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets review video. In this video, we have the LiteXim Aerobuds. So this is a pair of truly wireless earbuds. They feature 16 hours of playtime. They also have Bluetooth 5.0. And on top of all that, they're also waterproof IPX5, meaning they're perfect for working out because they're sweatproof. All that for around $40 on Amazon using the available coupon code. So check the link in the description to find that price. Let's go and open them up and check them out. All right, so the box just kind of slides open with the top coming off. And real quick, I just want to thank LiteXim for sending me these headphones so I could test them. Thank you very much. So on the top, we have a quick start guide that shows you how to easily pair them. I'll also be going through that as well. And then we have this accessory box. Let's see what's in there. So in this bag, we have some ear tip fittings, as well as it looks like some ear wings to ensure that the earbuds fit your ears properly. And then a very, very tiny, I don't think I've ever seen a cable this small, micro USB to standard USB charging cable. Then we have some marketing material and support information, and then a user's manual. All right, so finally, we have the charging case for the earbuds, and this will open up using this little button to reveal the true wireless headphones right there. Very cool looking, very nice looking box. It seems to be made out of a very sturdy material. It's also very lightweight. So on the back here, as you can see, looks like we have some LED lights indicators for right and left, and then power. And then you have the charging connector right here. So you would simply just take the charging cable, plug it into the back, connect the other side to a charging port, such as a wall plug, and then that would charge the case, and then the case charges the truly wireless earbuds. All right, so taking them out of the case right here and taking a closer look. On the sides right here, they have a nice LiteXim logo. Very nice shiny design in the center. And that's also a button as well, so that's going to be a multifunctional button. Then it looks like the microphone or maybe an LED light's in the front. And then right here you have the earbud fitting. This is what can be replaced and changed out for different sizes depending on your ear canal. On the back here we have two connectors, and that's where it charges inside the case. So as you can see right there, they do have corresponding indicators on both the earbuds right here, so right, and then also in the charging case, I don't know if you can see that, but it says right and left. So you just put it in. It's magnetic as well, so it will go in by itself. And then in the back, we can actually see that it is charging. So if I remove the right earbud, it'll show that it is not charging because it's not in there, but it is charging the left earbud. And then it looks like there is an LED located on both earbuds that's right next to the logo, that little red LED. That's going to give you an indication of the status of these earbuds. Like I said, there are also some ear wings in the packaging, and that's because you can remove this little piece right here, and this kind of just adds some stability when it's in your ear. So you can change this out, it just comes right off. It's very easy to get back on. And what that's going to do is it's going to help it stay in your ear so you can work out and move around, but it's also going to add some cushioning so that these do not cause any discomfort or pain after wearing them for a long time. So now we've taken a closer look at the LiteXim Aerobuds. Let's go ahead and get them turned on. We'll pair them together, and then we'll pair them with my phone. So like I said earlier, both of these little shiny areas with the logo on there are multifunctional buttons. You can hear that. All we need to do to pair them together is simply hold down both buttons at the same time for about 2 to 3 seconds. And now once they're paired, the right earbud will be blinking red and white, and the left earbud will just be blinking white. That means they're paired together, and then it's ready to be paired with my phone. They come up on my phone as earbuds, and we're connected. As you can see, the battery life is 90%. And one more quick thing, once they're paired with each other and a phone, the LEDs will simply just blink white. All right, so as you can see, I'm currently wearing the earbuds right now. They're actually pretty discreet and very comfortable. All the audio you're currently hearing is coming from the microphone that is on the earbuds. It's actually the right earbud. So hopefully this gives you a good idea of what the audio will sound like if you're placing calls with these or using these as a gaming headset with your cell phone or your computer, anything like that. All right, so as you just heard, the microphone on these actually sounds really good, especially for truly wireless earbuds. They usually don't have the highest quality mics, but these sound great, and they work well when you're on calls. The person that you're talking to can understand you, and you can understand them as well. When it comes to audio quality, when you're listening to these with music or podcast, I was actually quite surprised. The highs and the mids came through very clearly and crisp. It was also pretty powerful. The bass and the lows, while it wasn't the most powerful headphones I've ever heard, they sounded great, and it was well balanced with no distortion. Vocals come through very clear, so if you listen to podcasts or books on tape, anything like that, it's going to be very easy to understand what's being said. Now, one of the things I really found impressive about the Aerobuds is how well they connect to each other. So it was very easy to get them to pair to each other and then my phone, but also there's no interference between the two earbuds when you're wearing them, and they're constantly in sync, so you don't have any of that weird skipping or any issues where one of them gets off sync with the other one. I also found it interesting that the right earbud, it's actually called the Master, can be used just by itself. So if you just wanted to have one in and use it kind of as a headset, or you're at work and you want to be able to hear what's going on around you while still being able to listen to a podcast or music, you can do that by just turning on the right earbud, and it'll connect to your phone and pair without having to have the left earbud on. So I really like that functionality. It adds more use cases to these earbuds. Now, battery life with these, it is about 4 hours for the individual earbuds, and then you get an additional 12 from this case. And just like with any other truly wireless headphones, the case has a 500 milliamp hour battery so that you can charge them on the go. Now, 4 hours really isn't bad, especially compared to other truly wireless headphones where you get about 2 to 3 hours. So this will get you through the majority of the day, and then you'll probably only have to charge them once to get through an entire day. Now, the case here is actually really well made. It seems to be extremely sturdy. I like that it has a nice lock to it where you have to press the button to open it up, because I've had other cases with truly wireless headphones where the case would open up and the earbuds could fly out. Not only does this lock down, but the earbuds are actually stuck in with a magnet, so you don't have to worry about them falling out, because you know with truly wireless headphones, if you lose one, you basically lose both of them. Now, when it comes to the design and how comfortable these are, I found them to be very well made. The plastic is very light, but it seems sturdy. And when you have it in your ear, there's really no pain at all. So you have this really nice rubber that goes all the way around the earbud, as you can see. So that's going to provide some cushion to the inside of your ear. I found that there was no discomfort, no pain, or anything like that after several hours of wearing them. So while I had many good things to say about these earbuds, there are a couple things that I didn't like. First, this multifunctional button. While it works great for turning on and off the earbuds, it does have some issues when you're actually interacting with the audio that's being played. So to answer a phone call or hang up or pause or play music, you simply just hit the button once and it'll do that. To change the track, you just simply need to double tap the button, and that'll go forward or backwards depending if you're doing the right or the left earbud. Now, one of the disappointing things, I can't figure out how to change the volume with these earbuds by pressing the button. There's nothing in the instructions. I've tried pressing it 3 times in a row, and also variations of holding it down and pressing it, but with no success in actually getting these to change the volume on my phone or just the volume in the earbuds. So that's pretty disappointing. Another thing, when you're using this button, you kind of hear that. That is very, very loud in your ear to the point where it almost hurts a little bit. So it can be a little bit uncomfortable to press the button. Now, when talking about the range with these, like I said, there's no issues with them actually communicating with each other. Now, and you do get about 30 feet of Bluetooth range with these and the device that it's actually connected to, which is pretty standard for Bluetooth headphones. So that's a plus. So those were the LiteXim Aerobuds, truly wireless headphones. If you have any questions about these, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'm going to add an Amazon affiliate link to the description below so you can find these exact headphones on Amazon. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.